What's gonna be for AI stocks for the next week? Last week we have a huge volatility. We got GFAI pumped on Friday 50% and the price pumped until 20. We got rejected around the 1st of April. Then we pumped around the 6th of April. So we have to watch out, and there's potential jump for next week. We might see another 50% or even 100% if we hold a current support. We got AI. We went from the 20 around the 15th of March. Then we pumped until the 35. Then we dumped in just 2 days. And of course, we pumped once again on Friday. We got the other one, BBAI, BFRG. We're going to discuss them in our Discord. If we jumped over current resistance, we're going to do short update analysis for them before the market open for tomorrow. However, we have to watch out for TRKA because after hours, the price actually jumped 25%. You see here, this action, it was after hours. We jumped over the 25%, getting near important resistance to break for TRKA and squeeze, which is the 31. We have to discuss TRKA, we have to discuss AMC because AMC went to our box of resistance. We already discussed in our live streaming around the $5.17 when we said the $5.17 and $5.50 should be our resistance. The price actually tested our resistance and went down. We're going to discuss if there's a potential squeeze for AMC. Last stock we're going to talk about is FRC because we have a breakout here and the price accumulated over the 1391 exactly, and the price closed even after hours over this support. We're gonna have squeeze for FRC because the price is doing higher lows right now, and there's a potential pump for FRC in coming days. If you want to load up on AMC and the other blue chip company, you can on Momo because you can actually win 15 free stock when you join with my special link in comment section below. And those stocks you can win are Palantir, DKNG, Fuel Energy, Tesla, AMC. A lot of stocks you can actually win when you join Momo platform. And how you can win those stocks? This is a really great question to ask. Really simple. You can just open an account on Momo and you can get 1 free stocks. However, if you want to increase your chance to win those stocks, you can actually deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. And there is no funding deposit, so you could actually deposit whatever you want free charge. Of course, you can do a stock transfer for free as well. Platform fees, everything, level 2 data is all free. The only thing that you pay just 0.65 cent per contract. So this is the contract fees if you want to trade options on Momo. So use this opportunity and get you 15 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video and discuss first GFAI. This stock is pumped from the $8.50 after we got sold off when we got a huge selling pressure from the 20 until the $8. We went almost 60% down. As everybody knows, that AI stocks a bit inflated, and then we have a huge short attack on those stocks. As everybody knows, short sellers love the stock that have a huge pump for the price share in a span of few days. Of course, like AI stocks have potential future, but the pump was unrealistic in current condition of the market. The market is still paranoid and still not stable and still bearish, and we have this kind of jump like almost 300%. You see, this is normal that the short seller actually attacking GFAI, but we have to watch out if there's a potential squeeze for GFAI, a continuation for this price action, because we know the market is unreasonable and crazy sometimes, and we might see pump for 1000%, but we have to be subjective and be ready for catching those kind of pump because everything could happen. We have to watch out for a signal for that. First, we have the support for GFAI over the 1245. We should hold this when the market open over this support to confirm the strength of the chart, and breaking the 1550. After we have this reaction, we're gonna have the 1780 and the 2088. So this might happen in the pre-market. That's why we do always a pre-market update for those stocks that gapping over our resistance to have a precise entry and exit for them. Next up, we got AI. Sold off from the 35 and we got a huge dive down toward the bottom support that we discussed, the $20. Now we have to hold the 22.20 in order to confirm that we started to reverse and breaking the 24.18 in order to go toward the 26.88. Otherwise, if the short seller is still adding some position and shorting AI, we might see this reaction. The price will go up again to test the 24. Breaking the 22.21 will be the first signal for weakness. And if we don't hold the 20, we're going to go toward the 16.53, which is the next bottom that we're going to have a huge reversal for AI. Next up, we got TRKA. A great reaction happened for TRKA. And after hours, we have a huge gap and the price went almost 25% up. However, we getting near an important resistance that we should clear in the next week. For my opinion, this is the turning point for TRKA to have a squeeze, which is the 31.46. That's why I put it in orange. So what we should expect in the pre-market price action for TRKA, I expect the price will gravitate down below the 31 because we have to test the 31.46 to confirm a strength for the charts. The market open over the 31.46 would be a great reaction for TRKA to squeeze faster toward the 45.97 or around the 46. If we didn't, and we open below the 31, it means this is our resistance. We're gonna have a test and we're gonna do double top and the price will continue to go down. So watch out for this break for TRKA on Monday. Next up, we got AMC. Oh man, we have a huge gap, not a huge, but normal gap. But we held it over this AMA and the price went down. As we said, if we held the $4.14, it means a green light to continue to go higher toward this box. And that's what happened. The price went toward this box, but we got rejected because it's a resistance. So what's the game plan for AMC when the market open on Monday? We have to watch out for this box between the $5.15 and the $5.50 because if we clear this level, AMC will have a pump toward the $6.55. Otherwise, if we don't clear this resistance and break the $4.14, we're gonna go toward the $3.23 for the next week. Lastly, we got FRC was trading so long time over the $11.78. So if we want to confirm a reversal after this huge selling pressure that happened around the beginning of March and confirming that the market maker started to accumulate FRC and the price will pump, is by Monday breaking the 14.93. This will be a really great indication for FRC squeezing if we open in pre-market over the $15. This will be a really great indication for FRC squeeze for the next week toward the 16.75 and the other one around the 19.16. Of course, this is just the first two levels that will be tested. Of course, there's another levels for FRC because FRC could actually pump 50%, 100% easily. That's why we're gonna do update on our live streaming and pre-market because we might see this gap over the $15. We have to update our support, our resistance, exit strategy, everything. We're gonna do update, of course, as we said in the pre-market tomorrow, and our live streaming as usual around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.